Hello everyone, it's Marilyn here. Welcome back to my channel. I have this beautiful layout to share with you the tutorial today using the July limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. Let's get started. I just love this photo, the flow in the skirt with the wind. So I'm going to try to bring something similar to the background. I took a piece of cheesecloth that I paint in pink color, and I am tracing around the fabric on the background, and I'm going to use this stencil that comes this month. I just love the stencil, the design, and if you see, it's a little different. It is like a tool and it's sticky, so it would adhere to the paper. And I want to play with it. I'm so excited to play with this stencil today. And when I see the back of the package, it recommends to use paint. So I will do that. Let's see what happens. I'm going to place the stencil. Let me move the fabric first. I'm going to put the stencil here. I'm trying to center the stencil around all the pencil marks, and it stick to the paper, so it's easy to work with it. And I'm going to use paint with the stencil. I am planning to use the new impasto paints by Rivera. So this is a heavy acrylic paint, so I'm using just a little, and I'm going to spread the paints over the areas that I want to cover with the stencil. I'm using a sponge because this paint is heavy. So with a little paint is enough here, and I'm just blending this over the tool, over the stencil on the background. I'm going to add a little more to this corner here, but after I apply the paint, for me it looks too dark, and I think let me play with the different mediums here, and I'm going to add a little of heavy gesso in some areas here. I think that I am thinking that maybe it will create like a 3D effect with the stencil, because this stencil is very intricate, the design, and maybe it looks cool in this way. So I am just playing with the paints here and there, and I try to soften the color in some areas, so you can see here how cool it looks now. I wish that you can see the dimension that it brings to the stencil. So I'm going to cover the other areas using the product that is in the sponge and adding a little here and there. I'm going to explain everything now in Spanish, but I will let you you can continue see me during the process. Hola a todos, qué bueno que están aquí viendo mi nuevo tutorial. Les comento que estoy usando el kit de julio y lo que escogí fue este papel porque quiero crear un movimiento similar al de la foto, la chica con la falda, y estoy usando este stencil, esta plantilla que viene en el kit, que es de Heidi Swap, que es como pegajosa, y les comentaba que es diferente, es como un tul, y recomienda usarla con pintura, así que estoy usando las nuevas pinturas de Rivera, el nuevo impasto, que esta pintura es bien fuerte, es un acrílico que cubre bastante, así que usé un poquito, y para crear otro efecto le apliqué yeso por encima porque crea como dimensión en el diseño, y una vez cubra todo lo estoy secando. Now I take the stamp that comes in the kit with my archival ink in black color, and I am stamping randomly on the background to create a little of depth and more dimension and textures on the background. Then I'm going to add white paint splatter with my ink over all this work. Les comento que estoy usando el sellito que viene en el kit de Prima, de Rivera, con archival ink en color negro. Estampé en diferentes áreas y luego le añadí pintura blanca para crear más texturas. Ahora voy a añadir tela sobre todo este trabajo. Now I'm going to add a piece of cheesecloth in ivory color I want to add here in the center, and then I'm going to add a second layer of cheesecloth in pink color. I dye both pieces with different inks and acrylic paint, I think. And then I am playing with the fabric. I am trying to bring I want that when you see this picture, the fabric on the background has the same movement as the skirt in the photo. It took me a little to play with all this fabric here. And this is the photo as you see, and I add here a piece of cardboard on the back, and I'm going to add here in the center. Les comentaba que ahora estoy pegando la foto, pero lo que hice fue jugar con las telas, con la gasa, porque quería crear como el mismo movimiento de la farda con esta gasa. Now I'm going to add the different die cuts from the ephemera packaging. I just select some white flowers, and the phrase will be my title. And I also select some Prima flowers from the different packages to use in this page. But first, I'm going to cut out the white border from all the die cuts here. I don't know why, but I don't like the white border. I think it looks more natural without this border, so I'm going to do that. Les comento que cogí algunas piezas, recortes del ephemera packaging, y les estoy eliminando el bordecito blanco a las flores. Creo que se ve más bonito así, sin ese bordecito, más natural. También seleccioné algunas flores de diferentes paquetes de Prima, y estoy empezando a crear mi composición y jugar con todas las piezas aquí. I'm going to start to create my composition here, so I am playing with the different flowers and play with the fabrics to create the movements. I push a little these die cut white flowers to give a more natural look and dimension. So I'm just playing here and there with all the pieces to see and to balance, because the background is very busy. I know it looks a little messy, but I just love it. I don't know, I want to create something different, so I am a little messy this time with my background. A lot of things on the background, but I think it looks nice. Now I take the chipboard pieces, and I'm going to add here all the pieces that has the foil, the gold foil. I took the butterflies and some hearts, and I'm creating a balance here. Les comento que cogí de las piezas de chipboard, las piezas que son doraditas con este aluminio, y que estoy creando como un balance en el fondo. Y les comentaba también que este mes estoy haciendo como un poco más como un revolú en el fondo, no sé, pero me gusta el efecto y quería crear algo diferente. Creo que es tiempo de empezar a pegar todo, pero les voy a enseñar que añadí estas piezas que corté en el fondo, y les quería enseñar lo que añadí luego, que son estos doily. I add this doily that I cut out from a die cut that I have, and I cut the doily by half and put it behind my photo here. I just want to let you know what I did before I start to add here all the pieces. I think it creates a nice look here, how everything looks. And I also cut this butterfly from the papers, and I add here everything. And now I'm going to add texture using the mini art stone with 3D gloss gel. Les comentaba que corté estos doiles, los pegué detrás de la foto, y ahora voy a añadir textura con mini art stone y gel medium. I'm going to add the gel medium in the slow form that I do, that I always do, that is with my paintbrush. But if you are not as patient person as I am, you know what I do? I think I analyze myself, and I think that I do in this way because it is a therapy for me. Guys, you can't imagine, it relaxed me. It took me I think that this part took me almost 20 minutes. I have been with my paintbrush, with the gel medium, and with the mini art stand. But for me, it's a therapy. I think that it relaxes me. You can not hear the music, but I am with Carla Morrison. That is like a music more indie music. So I am relaxed. So it took me, I am put this in fast forward because I don't want to bore you, but I have fun. It is relaxed for me. And I am with music, with a cup of coffee, and I am happy in this process. So I will let you, but will do this around all the page and around all this area here. Let me explain in Spanish now. Le estaba comentando que esta parte aquí me tomó como 20 minutos hacerlo, pero les digo que a mí me encanta y esta es la forma más lenta de hacerlo. Yo soy feliz tomo la brocha, el gel medium y empiezo poco a poco con una música de Carla Morrison, que no les puedo poner porque no me permite YouTube poner esta música, pero esta es mi manera de relajarme y yo disfruto este proceso y ustedes van a ver aquí que ya casi está terminado. Okay, guys, after I apply all the art stone, I add some flowers, some pearls, and I'm going to dry everything. You can see here the final result. I just love. I add these die cuts too, I added at the end, and I just love the final result. I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial as much as I do to make it. Anyway, I let you in the description box down below the link to this kit. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And here are 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. Espero les haya gustado este video tutorial. Si les gustaron, por favor, regálenme un dedito arriba. Y aquí les dejo 2 videos más para que puedan ver. I see you soon. Bye bye.